Toilets that barely flush and leave you staring at a slow swirl are one of the most annoying things in any home, especially when you know everything in the tank looks fine. So, if your toilet is slow to flush, first try pouring a 5-gallon bucket of water straight into the bowl. That rush of water can help clear out clogs in the trap or drain. Next, check those tiny holes under the rim where water jets out. If they're clogged up, your flush won't be powerful enough. You can clean them by using a small wire or even an old toothbrush dipped in vinegar to break down buildup. Make sure your toilet tank water level is set properly. Too low and the flush is weak, too high and it can cause overflow. Avoid using harsh toilet tank cleaners that can corrode parts. Instead, use gentle natural cleaners to keep your system happy. If you have a septic system and your toilet is still slow, it might be worth getting your pipes inspected for hidden blockages. Regularly cleaning with vinegar and baking soda can help keep mineral deposits from slowing things down. Lastly, don't ignore any weird noises or gurgling sounds. They're clues your toilet or plumbing might need professional attention. One of the most common mistakes with slow flushing toilets is ignoring clogged rim jets, which stops water from flowing fast enough. Cleaning or replacing the toilet usually fixes this. Another issue is having the water level in the tank set too low, so the toilet never gets enough water to flush properly. Adjusting the float valve is an easy fix. Third, many people don't realize that even if the tank parts look fine, worn flappers or fill valves can cause slow flushes by not releasing enough water quickly. Swapping those parts out usually solves the problem. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super simple for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real customers looking for their services, so everyone wins.